Good day everyone, my name is Viet from Axis Partners and welcome to my weekly Forex Outlook. We have had 2 weeks of high volatility since my last video. Many of the currency pairs have made significant moves. Some of the currency pairs that I trade have moved into areas where it has not been for quite a few years, and this poses a challenge for me in terms of identifying support and resistance levels. I spent yesterday going back to my charts on the weekly time frames and label in what I considered to be the strongest level of support resistance. They are quite far apart, so I need to use recent price action to see how well it lines up with price action from several years ago. It's going to take a few weeks to have enough data for me to work with. Let's take a look at a few pairs that I'm watching for next week. First up is Australian Japanese yen on daily chart. This pair has closed the week below 82.40 support, and the next support level down that I have marked on my chart is a significant weekly support level at 80. I'm currently in a short trade, entry at just above 85, so if price hits 80 next week, then that would be something to smile about. If you are interested in Elliott wave theory, the wave count is currently up to 3. 1, 2, 3. So this could be the third wave, which is the strongest leg in the 5-wave pattern. I don't trade using Elliott wave theory, but I am a fan, so I like to practice wave counting whenever I can. Next is Australian Dollars USD, and I'm looking at the daily chart. Price has not been in this area since 2009, so I don't have anything here other than 0.6800 support. It is rather difficult to trade the way that I do in fast-moving market conditions, which is why I have the trend following system. Its purpose is to capture trends that does not retrace back to support resistance level, where I often look for opportunities to trade. Trading for me is more about covering for my weaknesses when conditions are not favorable. Euro Japanese yen is approaching 131.20 support level. This is a strong level in my assessment, therefore I am on the lookout for signs of a reversal if price action says so. I have a short trade still open from around 35.98 since 26th of August. If I was not in the trade already, then I would wait for any retraces back to 133.60 resistance area to enter short. Moving to EURUSD, the key level that I'm watching for is the 1.1020 because just 3 weeks ago there was a lot of buying powers when price hit this level. Now, some could say that this was because of China devaluing their currency, which caused markets to move irrationally. For me, I don't pay attention to the reason behind a move, but I certainly pay attention to what the charts are telling me. If price gets to this support level again, then I'm going to be ready to go long if there is enough evidence of strong buying at this level. However, if there is a daily close below 1.1020, then I'm going to sit tight and reassess. The pound Japanese yen has closed below 181 support level, and below that is 175.60 weekly support. I'm not in a short trade for this pair. I should be, but my inability to stick to my trading plan got in the way, and I only caught half the down move instead. I will be looking to enter short if price pulls back to 181 on the smaller time frames. Pound USD on daily chart is right on 151.70 support level. I'm going to wait and see how this level holds up. A daily close below this level is the sign that I want to see before planning to go short. The final currency on my list for next week is USD Japanese yen. I took a short trade of 120.40 resistance on Thursday on the 12-hour chart. Let me show you. Here, we had bearish indecision at resistance and the trade was over within 2 candles. I had a smaller target than usual due to non-farm payroll on Friday. Final results were plus 80 pips or plus 1.33 R gain. Going into next week, 118.20 support level is the key level to watch. A daily close below this level and price could keep going to 116. Last but not least, let's take a look at the news calendar for next week. Tuesday, there is Chinese trade balance. On Wednesday, we have interest rate decision for Canada and New Zealand. And Thursdays is interest rate for the UK. That's a lot of central bank decisions, so plenty of events to drive volatility for us traders to make money with. That's it for me for this week. I do have an event to attend next Saturday, so if time is limited, I will post a brief summary instead of making a video. That way you can still keep track of what currency pairs are on my watch list. Thank you for tuning in today, and I wish you another profitable trading week. Bye for now.